now. Take a step outside and seize the day now.
Hey Journey More, this is our video for Cochrans Creek Falls in Georgia. It is a 4.4 mile trail and it is an out and back.
Make sure you watch the whole video and the review at the end. Like, subscribe, and let us know what you think down in the comments.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Macy's going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster.
We're about halfway up. As you can hear, the falls are raging right now.
It is a tough climb, but it is so awesome.
It is so cool.
Water slide. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music, everybody wants to hear it. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants a ride in the water slide. 3, 4. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over.
So we made it to the top of the waterfall. It is a steep climb, a hard climb, but it's so fun.
Don't stop. When you get up to like that halfway point, make sure you come all the way because it's totally worth it.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Water slide.
Hey guys, we are coming off of Cochrans Falls right now. Amazing, but super hard. So make sure that if you're not an experienced hiker, you have any physical conditions, really think about it before you go up. Very easy for the first mile and a half, but like that last half mile, maybe a little more, is very difficult. So it's 4.4 miles in all, 2.2 up, 2.2 back down. So make sure you're prepared. I had some rope, first aid kit, plenty of water, some snacks, different things like that, because you are gonna burn a lot of energy coming up here. Little tip, make sure you have the All Trails app before you come up here. It's got a GPS in it. Make sure you're on that red line. So when you come into the beginning of the trail, if you come and stop at the trailhead, if you drive through the 2 creeks and you come to like the big campsite, just make sure you cross the stream and make that stream all the way up on your left side. So you need to be on the right side of the stream as you're coming up, and it's always got to be on your left side. If you don't, you will follow another trail and you will get lost. Yeah. Okay? So this is tough, and you're gonna have to kind of find your way in some points, and that's why that GPS on all trails is very helpful. So just make sure you have that.
Yes, and just a quick note, it's probably not kid friendly or dog friendly on that last half mile, so you want to be really considerate of that. And then ladies, quick tip too, wear some dark leggings or dark clothing if you come out here, and nothing that can snag, because you have to climb over some pretty big fallen trees, like your whole body on them. It was really fun. Had such a good time.
It was honestly so fun because half of it you're climbing.
Yes.
You're not even hiking, and I just loved that.
Yeah.
And the falls were beautiful.
Yeah.
It was huge.
It was
So
cool.
go after it rains.
Yeah.
So that way they're bigger. Yeah. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, follow us. We'd love for you to journey more with us. So, yeah.